Hello, namaste, how are you? In this video, we are going to translate Nepali into English. हामी जुन नेपालीमा लेखेका वाक्यहरू दैनिक रूपमा हामीले जुन नेपाली वाक्यहरू प्रयोग गर्दै आइरहेका छौँ त्यसलाई अङ्ग्रेजीमा कसरी अनुवाद गर्न सकिन्छ त्यो बारेमा जानकारी लिनेछौँ र धेरैजसो हामी दैनिक रूपमा प्रयोग गरिने वाक्यहरूलाई नै इङ्ग्लिसमा कसरी ट्रान्सलेट गर्ने भन्ने बारेमा यस भिडियोमा हामीले जानकारी दिनेछौँ। यदि तपाईँहरूलाई भिडियो मन परेमा साथीहरूमा सेयर गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला भन्दै हामी आजको भिडियो स्टार्ट गर्न गइरहेका छौँ।
आज कुन दिन हो?
What day is today? What day is today? What day is today?
त्यो राम्रो विचार हो।
That is a good idea. That is a good idea. Good idea. राम्रो विचार।
यो मेरो खेलौना हो।
This is my toy. This is my toy. This is my toy.
हामी सिक्न चाहन्छौँ।
We want to learn. We want to learn. We want to learn.
म केटो होइन।
I am not a boy. I am not a boy. यो एलाई चाहिँ ए पनि भनिन्छ अ पनि भनिन्छ है। I am not a boy पनि भनिन सकिन्छ। I am not a boy.
तपाईँ को हुनुहुन्छ?
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
तपाईँ कति वर्षको हुनुहुन्छ?
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
तिमीलाई कस्तो छ?
How are you? How are you? How are you?
तिमी कहाँ छौ?
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? तिमी कहाँ छौ?
त्यो मानिस को हो?
Who is that man? Who is that man? Who is that man? त्यो मानिस को हो?
मलाई भोक लागेको छ।
I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. मलाई भोक लागेको छ।
मलाई तिर्खा लागेको छ।
I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty.
म व्यस्त छु।
I am busy. I am busy. I am busy.
म दुखी छु।
I am sorry. I am sad. I am sorry. I am sorry.
कति बज्यो?
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? कति बज्यो?
तिम्रो बुबा को हुनुहुन्छ?
Who is your father? Who is your father? Who is your father?
तिम्रो बुबाको पेसा के हो?
What is your father's occupation? What is your father's occupation? What is your father's occupation? Occupation, पेसा.
के तपाईँ निश्चित हुनुहुन्छ?
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
तपाईको परिवारमा कतिजना सदस्यहरू हुनुहुन्छ?
How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family?
तपाईका कतिजना बहिनी हुनुहुन्छ?
How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have? How many sisters do you have?
मलाई ज्वरो छ।
I have fever. I have fever. I have fever.
त्यो तालिकामा के छ?
What is that on the timetable? यहाँ टाइम छुटेछ है. What is that on the timetable? What is that on the timetable?
मैले ढोका खोलेँ।
I open the door. I open the door. I open the door.
तिमीलाई के चाहियो?
What do you need? What do you need? What do you need?
तपाईले उहाँलाई देख्नुभयो?
Have you seen him? Have you seen him? Have you seen him?
तपाईले उहाँलाई कहाँ देख्नुभयो?
Where did you see him? Where did you see him? Where did you see him?
मैले कार किनेको छु।
I have bought a car. I have bought a car. I have bought a car.
अँध्यारो हुँदैछ।
It is getting dark. It is getting dark. It is getting dark.
तपाईले बुझ्नुभयो?
Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand?
मलाई खान मन लाग्यो।
I like to eat. I like to eat. I like to eat.
मलाई खेल्न मन पर्छ।
I like to play. I like to play.
उहाँ बसद्वारा आउनुभयो।
He came by bus. He came by bus. He came by bus.
तिमीलाई कसले भन्यो?
Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told you that? तिमीलाई कसले भन्यो? यहाँ पूर्णविराम होइन कि प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह हुन्थ्यो, यहाँ झुकिएछ है, त्यो सुधार्नु होला. Who told you that?
हामी एकदम मिल्ने साथी हौं।
We are good friends. We are good friends. We are good friends.
म त्यहाँ हुनेछु।
I will be there. I will be there.
मलाई उसको बारेमा सबै थाहा छ।
I know all about him. I know all about him. I know all about him.
यो तपाईको लागि उपहार हो।
This is a gift for you. This is a gift for you. This is a gift for you.
मलाई चिया मन पर्छ।
I like tea. I like tea. मलाई चिया मन पर्छ. I like tea.
मलाई कफी पनि मन पर्छ।
I like coffee too. I like coffee too. I like coffee too.
के उहाँ तपाईको साथी हुनुहुन्छ?
Is he your friend? प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह हुनुपर्ने. Is he your friend? Is he your friend?
तपाईले भिडियो हेरिदिनु भएकोमा धन्यवाद।
Thank you for watching video. Thank you for watching video. Thank you for watching video. यस्तै भिडियोजहरू हामी समय समयमा लिएर आउनेछौँ र यसै गरी तपाईले घरमै बसेर अङ्ग्रेजी धेरै कुरा सिक्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला भन्दै आज तपाईहरु माझबाट हामी बिदा हुन चाहन्छौँ। हस्त धन्यवाद। शुभ दिन, सबैको दिन शुभ रहोस्। सबैले अङ्ग्रेजीमा निखारता ल्याउँदै जानुहोला भन्दै तपाईँहरू माझबाट हामी बिदा हुन्छौँ। हस्त, धन्यवाद, गुड बाई।